me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart.
Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome, you see me. So you don't know if you're new, hit that subscribe button and like, comment and share, you see me guys. So remember, watch the ads, check out the Patreon link when we have it in the description to become a patron, and PayPal down below if you feel like you want to donate to share out the channel, you see me. So right now guys, today what me I do, we are dealing with some cane juice today, you see me guys. So we are start from scratch. We have a build a juicer and we're gonna make some cane juice, you see me guys. Because you don't know, if you even buy cane juice in a store, that's really expensive, and why do that when we can do it by myself, you see me. So you don't know, I'm gonna make a juicer today and we're gonna cut some cane from the farm. We're gonna come back and we're gonna make a nice bowl of cane juice and we're gonna fry some plantain, you see me guys. So I'll show you guys what I'm going now, so let's just jump right into the video. Alright peeps, so see me, I don't have a machete here, so I have this section of if you have two things like this, it's the best place to make a juicer, you see me. So this is a donkey people call the tree, you see me. So I kind of shape up in here so to hold the stick I'm gonna use, you see me. So I'm gonna try to clean off the tree a little same way, because I don't know, clean it off, little kind of rub and I go down in the juice. Alright, so guys, you don't know, as I say, I get this sort out and we'll cut some stick and we're going to build up a nice juicer, so guys. So just stay tuned and before I go on. Alright peeps, you don't know, did I clean out the little spot. You don't know me I go work today, right here so I clean out the little spot them. Yeah man, I don't know, rain kinda June now. Yeah, but the sun's still out. That's the weather in Jamaica. Yeah man, so as I say, I get the few sticks that I'm gonna use now to make the juicer or squeezer, whichever you choose to call it. Yeah, I get a few sticks, so yeah man, I get the stick them and come back to the guys and see what I deal with. So I could just get the stick them now. Guys, so I climb up, go up at the hilltop, you know. Got a few pieces of sticks what I'm going to use to put on the juicer. You get me? So right now I got you one party place here, so through the pine walk, forget the stick them and the bush them really high, I mean a shorts. But to get it done, it don't really bother me that much because I'm kind of used to it. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to find a better place to walk and reach the spot to stick them there to get them cut. Yeah man. Guys, so I have to get that off. Yeah, so this is the stick I'm gonna chop today. I'm gonna have to chop it down guys, it's really hard to chop because it's fat. So we get the stick them and everything. I'm gonna head back down to which was the structure there to make the juice, you see me. So catch you guys and reach there. So alright guys, so I don't know, reach back on at the spot. I get the stick them I'm gonna use. Yeah man, so I don't know, I get the structure set up now and girls, this is what I talk about. But for now, I have to get the stick them clean off. I'm gonna strip off the skin off of them. I'm gonna wash them off. Then we're gonna create the juicer. This is my stuff. I strip off the skin off of them now, and you guys will see what I'm going. Alright guys, so Peter. Get the skin off of the stick them. Like this. You guys have to peel off the skin because you know when you squeeze your cane, it will squeeze out the juice out of the skin and that go in your juice because that never tastes good. Yeah guys, so some matter about ya, the stick strip off of the skin. You see me? So I don't know. This is what we're gonna use. You see me? This is gonna be it. So I get this shape up and to fit. I set it up now and show you guys how it's done. Alright peeps, so as you guys can see what I'm going on, so I want a flat surface to this part of the juice, you see me? Because this the cane them are gonna respond and everything. So I want a flat surface, you see me? So I get it so flat. You know? I get here so flat. So you know, so when you go in, you can just rest the stick on here so. Alright peeps, so see how it sticks, you know? Cut a groove right there so we drop between that. Yeah man, so this is how it's gonna be. You see me? So right now, what's left is to get the stick under here to hold up this. So I dig a hole right there so. And we're gonna hold up the structure, nail it up, and then now we see where we are from there. So yeah guys, hoping I learned something right in the middle of boiling sun. I sweat as heck just to make this, but it'll go worth it in the end because I get some nice cane juice from it. So yeah, I'll finish up now and get this all up. Anyway, so I'll go on. Yeah man. You guys so see there the post there, I'll go hold up the next piece. I'll go across that way. So I don't know where I get this straightened up, put on that and straighten up everything. I don't know, say that's gonna be our squeezer for today. You see me guys, so we made a squeezer. We start this about 15 minutes ago, and maybe the next 15 minutes we finish and we can have cane juice I make. It's that simple and it's that free, you see me? If you got a store now, go buy cane juice, boy. Maybe 1,000 or 2,000 depending on the size, you see me? I mean I do it for free right now with some lime and everything, you see me? Only thing I'm missing is some ice, but I don't know. We're gonna eat it, we're gonna drink it natural without ice or everything, but I bring some up on the fridge, you know, because it's really nice with the ice. So I do that now. I'm gonna look the key in them because I don't look the key in them yet. So I finish up and then go look the key in them, isn't it? So I could continue and do what we are do. Alright peeps, so I don't know, one little downfall is this a little too low, but it can still work, isn't me? So with that set up now, I don't know, we're gonna nail it up, get it stronger. And then now from this we'll put on one left. And then now we'll go look the key in them and we'll start juice them out. Just stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so I don't know this nail up now. Yeah, that nail up now, so time to put what next to go on. I gotta deal with that now. Alright guys, so I don't know, the sun really hot, me I sweat really bad. Right now, I go pick a jelly. You see me? I have to go pick a jelly right now, peeps. Right now, I'm thirsty. So we walk out the jelly tree, which not that far. The same place, so me there. So I get 2 jelly drinks now. See me? But if I get a bamboo to pick them. Hey guys, so I still look for a stick or bamboo to pick the jelly them, and I can't find any. Oh no, let's go guys. Let's go out of the tree. I have to look stick to pick them right now. This is a calf, this won't show your mother. This is a young calf that was born a couple of days ago. Can't really catch him. Ooh, guys, I'm really fast, so yeah, we're not going to die. But I find the bamboo to pick the jelly them, so I pick a few and cool off like before I go back and make the squeezer because the sun really hot. So I cool off a little and then go back go finish with the squeezer. So yeah man, see bamboo, yeah? I go pick the coconuts and then now we go back. What we are doing. Guys, I picked 2 of them. 2 supposed to go, you know. That's one. And another one. Guys, whew, guys, a nice coconut right now, nice or not. Yeah, peeps, kind of cool down now, but the hole I need to cut a little wider because it's too small. Guys, oh, I'm burning up, like literally burning up right now. I'm on to see coconut finish, you know. I cut it and get the jelly out of it. Cut it now and get the jelly out of it, and I don't know from this, you know, go cool off it and then go back and finish with the squeezer because the sun really hot out there. So yeah, I gotta eat the meat out of this now. Oof, it's not dirty. Yeah, jelly meat. Yeah guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat this now. Spoon. Guys, Yeah, it tastes really good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cool off for 15 minutes and then head back go make the juicer. Yeah man, so that's the aim now. Just finish that and fry some plantain, and then you know we're gonna head back home and we're gonna go all a bed and relax, edit up the video and get it to post, isn't it? So I'm gonna the calf again. Him soon run. Yeah man, but this is a little baby calf guys, which was born, as we say, a few days ago. Yeah man, his mother they're up close. We showed him mother and time reach back up there. Yeah, so that's one of our livestock, a cow. And him have the calf the other day. Okay man, so he might run free because we already tied him. Yeah, so come on, head back and I want to go finish the squeezer and show you guys how it works and everything like that. But I don't know if I'll cut the key in after still, so we just go finish up. Alright, so see that I strip off the skin off right now, like what we did with the first one. Alright guys, see there? Strip. Yeah man, you don't know so it'll go work, you know. But I get something put across here so first. Yeah man, so we gotta do that. And when that, everything complete, isn't it? So I could do that now. We get that done and so we can complete and go look the key in them. Peeps, you don't know, I'm gonna nail it up now. I think that's good about there. Guys, so I nail up it now. Yeah. Alright guys, so you don't know the juice I don't make. This is my style of making one. So you don't know what I'm gonna do now. This two little thing, I don't have a zinc. I normally use a zinc and put it underneath here to catch the water, catch the juice. You run off in a container, but I don't have that, right? So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use some banana leaf and put here so you can run in the container right down there. So you see me, so whenever I get the piece of zinc I can use and put it underneath that. But for now, let's have to use a banana leaf. So I head around the spring, catch some water, wash off this, bring some and come wash off this, and then we're gonna look the key in them while this are going dry. You see me, so I head around from the spring now. I'm gonna get the leaf and the water. Yeah, so that's our next spray now. Guys, so yeah, see the cow there with that talk. Yeah, I feel him cough, you see earlier on. So yeah man, I cut the banana leaf now, which I'm gonna use. Oh, you guys don't want it to break, you know, because if it break, you know, so that's a trouble. So this is what we're gonna put there today to catch the water. So we're gonna just hang up this right here till we get back from the spring, because I don't know if I catch water. We wash off the juicer. Get rid of the spring now. Guys, so see water here. There are a lot of grass, water grass that growing out. So let's wash off this. That's it. Wash it off properly. Put it right there and catch some water. Wash off the juicer itself. As the water feels so cool. Could I drink some? Alright guys, so some water here. So I'm just gonna wash off right here on the juicer. You don't know, yes, the cane I'm gonna juice, so I'm gonna wash off this. So. Alright, so that wash off now, which, come on, that wash off. We have the funnel here we're gonna use, but I get the cane them first and come back before we set up that. So I look the cane them now and come back for a spot. You see me? Alright guys, so see the few cane them, I don't really go for the whole heap there because enough is there, enough the right here, so I cut some from right in this little section here, so but one cane root there, and that we go juice today. So if we can cut 5, we go juice 5, isn't it? So, yeah, that must can give you a cup of juice. Because basically that we aim for, a cup of juice. So just showing you guys how you can make it and how it's extracted that way, isn't it? So we'll cut them cane, you know, and see how much juice we can get from it. If not, we don't get the cup, our next cane root the up more. We'll get it from out of that, but we just all get it from here, so you know, and see what I go on. Alright peeps, so put the cane out. Whoop. Yeah, that's 2 down. Alright guys, so I don't know, I get 4 cane, cut 4 cane. I don't know if I'm gonna wash them off now, because it's important to wash them off because sometimes them dirty, so it's good to wash them off. I mean, if you can get them washed off, even though if you don't wash them, it not gonna hurt you, but you see me, best to get them washed off. Yeah, so I walk go push one little spring there now. I'll wash them off. So see the water here. Don't know. I get them wash off now. Get the cane and wash off. So we can get them the juice. Oh, the water feels so good. Too me hot. Alright. Clean them wash off. And clean now enough peeps here. See water here. Yeah. Nice clean water. Alright, so we're gonna head up for the juice you know. I get them juice out. Yeah man, so yeah, so it all come down on a piece for this John where we get to test out the juice and see how good it works. So we could just go up there now and go see what I go on. Peeps, so reach back at the spot. Yeah. See if we can put on them cleaner so them stay clean. Yeah man. Alright guys, so I don't know, time to set up this. Time to set up this thing. So let's see what can go on feet. Come on. Oh snap. Seems like you want the next piece of stick in the middle. Alright peeps, so I put our next stick in the middle to hold it firmer. Alright guys, so see it here now. I don't know, this is the way we are waiting for now. Time to see the juice at work and see how well it works, you see me? So I don't know anything going on. We'll test it out now and see what I go on. So we could do that now. Guys, so see it? This is the stick where I use juice here, you know. Push it right up in here, so. And then you put your cane right in here. You get me? But I'm doing so now, you go squeeze. Guys, it's not really hard, trust me. But when I use one, it's kind of difficult. That's the only thing with it. You guys also what I talk about. Alright. Alright peeps, so then we are ring this and now and get out the juice. Alright. Alright, so we're straight off that now what we get, as the camera did. We're straight off that what we get now and show you guys how go on. Alright guys, so you don't know this how we get the camera dead, so I have to cut it short. I have a lime, I'm going to squeeze in it. Yeah, stir that up. So I go on. Come on. So yeah guys, take a sip right now. Wow, this is so good. Yeah. This tastes so good. Alright guys, that tasted so good, I swear. It tastes really nice and but I love some more, but the GoPro I did. Might do some more and drink or bring home with me. But for now, I don't know. Hoping I'll learn something, hoping to try it. Hope you all enjoy. Easy me, so the camera did, so I'll catch you. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoy that one and I'll catch you guys in the next upload. So peace out for now guys. I'll see you soon. Hey peeps, some time for that tree there. Yeah. Just go drink water. It's really hot and really thirsty. So my finish time, I head home now. GoPro the 3%. Yeah. So yeah guys, I don't know. It's a thing.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart.